When you're a creative, whether you're into illustration, design, writing, or video, choosing the right learning platform makes a big difference. Two really popular picks are Skillshare and Udemy, and both are pretty affordable. But they feel very different, especially for creatives. Let's dive into how they compare, and which is better depending on how you like to learn. First, Skillshare. Skillshare is all about creativity. Its course catalog leans heavily into design, illustration, photography, writing, animation, you name it. Instead of buying one course at a time, you pay for a subscription, and then you get unlimited access to a ton of classes. On pricing, depending on the plan you pick, Skillshare can be very budget-friendly. Their annual subscription works out to around $8 to $9 per month. There's also a monthly option if you don't want to commit for a year. What makes Skillshare special is its project-based learning style. Many classes end with a project that you can work on, share, and even get feedback from other learners. The community is also a big part of the experience. You're not just watching videos, you're creating, interacting, and learning by doing. Now, Udemy. This app is more like a massive marketplace. They have hundreds of thousands of courses, not just creative ones. You pick and pay for individual courses. And once you buy one, you own it forever. Good habits. Prices for each course can vary a lot. Anywhere from around $10 up to $200, depending on the instructor and how advanced the course is. Udemy also frequently runs deep discounts, so you can often grab a high-quality class without paying full price. Good habits. Because you have permanent access after purchase, it's great if you want to learn at your own pace, revisit the lessons, or even rewatch parts later. And unlike Skillshare, Udemy typically gives you a certificate of completion for paid courses, though they're not formally accredited. Skillshare equals best for creatives who want to explore broadly, practice with projects, and learn continuously through a subscription. Udemy equals ideal for targeted learning, long-form courses, and owning course content permanently. If you're serious about building your creative skills and want a versatile, project-friendly platform, Skillshare may feel more natural. But if you're focused on nailing a specific tool or skill and want to take your time, Udemy's model could give you better value.